Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, Schenelle, Britt for short, and over here on this channel we talk about all things beauty, lifestyle, luxury, natural hair, fashion, and a little bit of travel. Today I am so excited to share this video with you. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. This video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa, and if you have never heard about Ana Luisa before, you are certainly missing out. But I'm glad that you stumbled onto this video because Ana Luisa is a quality jewelry line that creates carbon neutral, sustainable jewelry that is absolutely beautiful, stunning pieces at such a good, affordable price. And honestly, right now they have a 20% discount on every single item. So you guys, I'm obsessed with Ana Luisa, and I think you will be too once you visit their website. So I'm sure if you follow me over on Instagram and you've been here for quite some time on YouTube, you have seen several of my pieces, my simple dainty necklaces, my dome ring. All of those pieces are from Ana Luisa, and obviously I keep coming back because I love what they stand for. First off, we need to talk about their packaging. So this is the packaging. Inside, everything is carbon neutral and recycled. We've got this a little Ana Luisa pouch, which I think my ring is in. This one, which I think has my earrings. And this one, which has the necklace. So I am super excited to try these pieces on for you, and all of the links to everything will be down below. So go ahead and scroll down on this video, click on the links, and you will be brought directly to the Ana Luisa website where you can see all of their amazing products with a 20% discount. So the first item is the Celine Ring. It is in size 8. I am obsessed with this ring, guys. It's an eternity band. You guys know that I love my eternity rings. So I got it in a size that would work with my thumb, my index, and my middle finger because I knew I wanted to wear it alongside my dome ring and also probably my love ring. So this is what it looks like on my index finger, and I am obsessed. Let me bring it close so you guys can see. Guys, I mean, come on. The quality, it is just gorgeous. I am obsessed with it. So our next item is a pair of earrings, and guys, these are absolutely stunning. Like I showed you before, they come in this amazing pouch, and inside we have these beautiful earrings. These are the Eden pair of earrings, and let me just put them on for you. Well, I don't know if you are getting the detail here, but let's put them on for you so you can see. So I love that these are clasped and that they secure in without a back. It's like an interesting twist on the hoop because it just clasp right in. These are perfect. These are perfect for work. These are perfect for date night. These are perfect for when you want to feel that little bit of extra like class and elegance. These are your girls. You want to go to these. Let me come up close so you can see them. I love the fact that these can be dressed both up and down. They are such a classy statement earring, but then in the same breath, I could throw them on with some jeans and a top like what I have on right now and just add that little extra pizzazz onto the outfit. So our last Ana Luisa item is a beautiful necklace that I am obsessed with. And again, I know I say I'm obsessed with everything, but I'm actually obsessed with it. And I do plan on layering it or stacking it with my other Ana Luisa necklaces. So we'll see how that turns out. And guys, this just looks so expensive. Honestly, I don't know if you're getting all the detail, but it's definitely such good quality. This is the Lucy. I got it in size 18, and let's just put her on to see how she looks. I'm gonna put her on the last clasp. Definitely easy to put on, which is perfect for us. Can you see this necklace? I'm gonna go ahead and stack her with my other two necklaces because, as I mentioned, I'm obsessed. This necklace I bought maybe 2 years ago. It came in a 2-pack, and it is just so dainty and elegant. It literally is like that little piece that you need that goes with everything. Right beautiful. And then I have another piece here from Ana Luisa. This is the necklace plus the charm that I purchased a year and a half ago. And it's just like mountains with, I don't know if you can see in this charm, but it's just mountains with the sun peeking over, which is so dainty and elegant. And then I actually put an extender on this one so that it would drape a little longer. So let's see how it looks. All right, so here is the stack and I am obsessed. Remember, all the links will be down below. Just click on that hyperlink. It will take you straight to the Ana Luisa website. And a reminder that Ana Luisa is having 20% off, which is absolutely amazing because they're already pretty affordable pieces. So check out that website. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know if you were able to get your hands on any of these pieces, which ones you got, and how you styled them up. Again, thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring a portion of this video. If you have not already liked, subscribed, or hit that bell notification, just go ahead and do so now. I would love for you to join this family, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.